So it's a great question. It's like a fun debate all the time. And so my definition of an AI agent, sort of technically speaking, and I actually Harrison from LangChain, his CEO there, he has a fun definition. If you kind of hear him talk about this, an agent is something that decides when it's done. And so like that's kind of an interesting concept. Normally you run like, I'm going to build something and then you have code and it completes and it's done. But if you have an AI agent, it needs to figure out when it's done. And that is one of the definitions, technically speaking, which I think is a good one of what is an agent. I personally that's kind of a esoteric sort of engineering kind of answer. A slightly more detailed engineering answer, which is the one I normally give, is an agent has an objective, it has instructions, it has an AI model, a brain, and then it has tools that it can then decide to utilize with context to be able to operate. I'm a fan of agents that have the ability to then call in other agents, like a multi-agent system. And so typically when I'm thinking about agents, or if I say the word agentic, I'm thinking about multiple agents cooperating together. Now, I have no problem at all with the idea that there's a very simple agent that just has like a one kind of thing it does. And I think that's an agent. Some people would argue and be like, no, is a GPT, like the old style OpenAI, customization, is that an agent? I kind of think it's the beginning of agent. I call those like V0 agents, but those are fun to debate. But to me, the power of agents going forward is this idea that they can, you can think about them as little state diagrams of intelligent steps that can loop and then do more sophisticated things.